What's going on, everybody? Austin here, and in today's video I just want to go over the basics of affiliate marketing and the legendary marketer program that we've been talking about. So I'm going to show you the very first week results that we've had, or I have had personally. They're not astronomical, but they're the results within the first 7 days, and how we do funnels and how all of it works, so you have a better understanding of what affiliate marketing is. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing it is taking a proven product or service or software and promoting it to somebody, or getting it in front of somebody that maybe doesn't know about it, or that is looking for the product, but it's just you give value to somebody. So it's really, you sell a proven product and you get paid a commission on the back end. And it's not even you selling it. You really just direct the traffic, and eventually the product sells itself, or the people behind the product do the marketing. They sell it. All you do is build the audience. So the reason I like this model is very good for beginners, and it's because you don't have to worry about building a product and the logistics and branding, and especially, and a lot of people that start trying to do something like that, like launching their own product in e-commerce, which I love, they do it before they do affiliate marketing or marketing in general. So now they don't have a marketing plan. And it's very important, very crucial to understand how you're going to market the product. So people go out there, they spend thousands of dollars on this product that they don't even know if it's a good idea. And yet then they don't even know how to market. So whenever they do try to do marketing or advertise or whatever, they're doing it completely wrong. And they don't know if the product's good. So now there's two variables already right there that are off the back that could be potentially hazardous to a business. And then you have to, if it is good, you have to worry about customer service and growth. So I always like to teach or tell or instruct people to go with affiliate marketing first, only because all you're doing is learning the basics of getting a product in front of the right audience. And the products are already proven. They're already being sold. They've been sold for 10, 15, 20 years somewhere else on the whatever product you want to promote, whether it be a software platform like GoDaddy, or a web hosting platform like Bluehost. This one specifically, Legendary Marketer with David Sharp, it's been around for what, 10 years, 12 years, over a decade now. And so it's a proven system. So let's dive into the computer and I'm going to show you what we're talking about. Let's go. All right, guys, as you see, we're in the Legendary Marketer dashboard. In this dashboard, you can see, I can't show you a lot of things. This is what it's like on the affiliate side of things. Right here is what everybody shows you is my commissions for the last week. Really, it says the last 7 days. Today made day 1 or day 8. We are at $471 really in our 7 days, because I started at like 10 o'clock at night on day 1 and it still counted as day 1. This is really 7 days worth of commissions. So this is the potential. Everybody's showing you this, and they're showing you like thousands of dollars. They've probably been doing it 7 months, so they may be showing you, I don't know. I'm not going to say they're doing good. Obviously, I'm at 471 in my first week. I'm not saying these results are typical, because I do understand marketing. I do have e-commerce, but these results are very practical. So, but if anybody does decide that they want to join this program, I'm going to show you. So this is what it is. It's a 15-day challenge. I can't show you any of it, but you get 15 days. You get to watch all the videos and all the training through Dave Sharp. I can't really show you this, so we get out of it. But if anybody does decide, hey, I do want to do that, it costs $7 to join the 15-day challenge. If you want more better learning experience, there is higher ticket products that you can purchase, but that also comes with experience. You get it. You get higher ticket products, you promote high ticket products. It's a win-win. You learn how to do marketing. But if you get in, I want to show you what happens is how you actually obtain results is through what we like to call funnels. And what a funnel is like an opt-in and a bridge page. So you get the hook page where you present this. So this is what looking at the computer, this would be like a hook page. This is the very first landing page. If I posted a video on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, whatever, and even if I ran an ad, I would run it to this page, discover how anyone can live a laptop lifestyle, talk a little bit about myself. If you're interested in becoming your own boss, click the button below. What's inside the exact framework to create a 6-figure affiliate marketing business in your spare time. Your audience would click here to begin. As you see, it says it opens, we're in the back end of a funnel account. It'll open the pop-up. The pop-up will look like this. Almost there, please fill out the form so we can send you the details. They're gonna give me the name and the address. And why this is important, a lot of people are like, why do I want to put this information in? Why this is important for you to obtain is for you can further down the road, provide them value through trainings, through products, through new affiliate like opportunities that you found, because they're ultimately they want to be an affiliate marketer. And doing so, you're going to continue to promote your affiliate links to them when you find, but not just, you're not going to spam them affiliate links. When you find new ideas, new products that you actually use, you like, new software, whatever it is, you're going to show that to them. You're going to give them value with them. Be like, look, I don't know if you know about this, but I just started using this, or I've been using this for about a month. These are the results I've gotten. If you're interested, here is the link. It is my affiliate link. I will get paid a commission, but that's how we're growing our business. We're doing it together. So it makes sense, and there's no harm, no harm. Let's go back real quick. I'm going to show you what the bridge page looks like after this. We'll just leave. And this will be the bridge page. You're not going to get to see, it's not going to load the video. So right here, the one thing most struggling affiliate marketers are missing is the right high ticket affiliate part. So like you talk pain point solution offer in your marketing. You talk about the pain points, the solution you have. The solution in this one's going to be the Legendary Marketer program that we're promoting. And then the offer is the order page, what we're offering or what you're offering them. They could get in for $7, whatever it is. So you talk about it here. This is a video. This is what it is. This is the start now button. It'll link them. So this is where you'll link your affiliate link for them to go to the program. You talk a little story about yourself and how it works. These are 2 interviews that are provided for, they're not interviews. They're, what do you call them? Testimonials, I guess interviews with people in the program. Just a little bit of a sales hook, just to provide validity. And then that's pretty much it. It's very basic, very simple. But you got their email, you introduce yourself here in this video, you show them you're a real person, this is a real business, you're not trying to scam them, you just build that rapport with them, and then they'll move forward to clicking the link. Whether they go through the challenge or not, it's ultimately up to them. If it even seems like a good fit, like just give them the opportunity to go watch the video. If they feel it's a good fit for them, they'll move forward with the challenge, and then ultimately you get to help them grow their business. Kind of like hopefully you do. If you get into the challenge, I would like to offer you to help you grow your affiliate side of things as well. The challenge is about learning affiliate marketing. So ultimately you want to also have help building affiliate marketing. So I personally, if you come through my affiliate link, I would like to invite you to clone my high ticket affiliate marketing business and make it yours. In this video right here you see on the screen will be step-by-step instructions on how to clone it, how to use ClickFunnels, because most people don't know how to use ClickFunnels. That is the funnel software I personally use. I know there's other ones out there. If you know how to build funnels, then all the power to you. Go buy or go to another software if you have a better software. I personally think ClickFunnels is one of the easiest and best to use right now. So step 1 will be join the Ultimate Business Builder, the Online Business Builder Challenge, the 15-day challenge, so you can become an approved Legendary Marketer affiliate as soon as possible. That's absolutely critical. So if you haven't done that, you will need to do that. That'll be this first link. It's a button. It'll go using my affiliate link. It'll go to David Sharp's page, and then you can sign up for the 15-day challenge. This will import the copy of your high ticket funnel. If you don't already have, if you have a ClickFunnels account, it automatically goes. If you don't, it'll give you a 14-day free trial, so you can totally test out ClickFunnels and see if you like the platform. Again, in the video above, I'm going to show you how to do it, or how to use ClickFunnels. And as always, if you have any questions, leave a comment below, message me in the Facebook group. I'll be more than happy to create any custom videos for you to learn. This next one, step 3, is going to be connect your ActiveCampaign and Access follow-up emails. ActiveCampaign is an email software, email autoresponder I personally use. If you already have another one, great. If you don't, this is what I recommend because it's what I personally use. Love it. Easy, super beginner friendly. Drag and drop templates are already made. Everything is right there for you. Customer help is right there for you. I love it. That will bring you there. Right there. I don't know. I think you get a free trial or something, or you get like 100 free contacts, and yeah, you get like 100 free contacts. So it's a little trial period you'll get, and then also if you sign up after you sign up your email autoresponder, or you already have one, you can just go right here and copy and paste like a 7-day email sequence to drip to your audience that comes in through your opt-in funnel. So I hope that helps. That's pretty much that in a nutshell. So for what this video, just to recap it, we're promoting Legendary Marketer, and that's just the start. This is just one of the ones that I found right now is trending that you've probably seen, and it is, as you saw, it is easier to tap in. I won't say it's not easy, but it's easier to tap into, because there is reoccurring commissions, there is low ticket commissions, there is high ticket commissions. It is all the commissions that you could possibly want an affiliate program to be. Whereas if you were to go to Amazon.com, scroll to the bottom, hit become an affiliate, which is a great way to promote products. The problem is the affiliate commissions are literally, the payouts are 1 to 5% or something really ridiculous. You make $1 or 50 cents to $2. Whereas here we're making tens of dollars to hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars on commissions based off of upsells from a proven program that is really changing people's lives. Again, any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to address them. We'll see you in the next one.